Hello everyone, this is Eva. Here I'm going to share with you a very good use pet towel set. This pet meter and pet towel. More and more people love to keep pets, like dogs, cats, even pigs and chickens, because they do bring us much pleasure in our daily life. And I have a husky. Every time I give him a bath, I feel very headache because first I need to find a bigger bucket to put him in, and with a lot of water washing for him. And after washing, I found the water is too heavy to throw away, and he was always shaking himself and throwing the water on my house. It's a very noisy. I think many people would have this same trouble with me. So here I recommend you this pet towel set. And here you can see the pet meat. On the both sides, they are long pile microfiber. They are helpful because the increased air surface can trap small water and dust into the pile quickly. Let's take a look at its water absorption. Soaked it in the bottle of water. Here you can see it absorbs all the water. And so in this way it can store a lot of water, and when we give our pet a bath, we don't need to prepare a big bucket and waste a lot of water. The water on the glove can completely rinse our pet. So it's really good use. Besides, during the cleaning, the pet meter can grooming our dog's hair and give him a massage feeling. After washing, we can use this pet towel to dry our pets. Here you can see this same material with the pet meat, and on the both sides you can see there are small pockets, and you can hold it in your hand like this to dry his body, and also you can hold it in your hand like this to dry his hand. Thanks to the microfiber, it can absorb the water and particles of our pet's body quickly and let our pet dry quickly. In fact, for this pet towel set, you can put it in your car when you take your baby or your pet to the beach or park. Maybe they got muddy or sandy. We can use this to wipe them out. Before our pet, we can first use this to clean our baby's feet, and then use this to wipe our pet sand off. So in this way, they will not bring sand to our car. For this microfiber pet towel, we can use it as a blanket, especially in the winter night. It can help keep our pet body warming up. It is really a good choice for our pet cleaning. Hope this video can be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.